Hi friends, do you want to know where and how you can make this design? Are you looking to make this design without making this design? Alright, well then stay tuned so I can take you through this journey to find out how to make this. Okay friends, let's get started. So first you want to go to Creative Fabrica. If you do not have an account with them, the link for to get $3.99 a month, or just pay I think it's $48 for the whole year. You can sign up with my link that's in the description below. But let me tell you, there's so many things you can get here. You can get fonts, you can get designs. It's so many different things. Look at all these things. Look at this. This right here, boom. Once you pay for the month, or if you pay for the year, it's all free. You don't have to pay for anything else. Well, of course it's not free because you already paid, but you get so many different things. Look at that pink girl font, beautiful. Look at all of these different things, guys. I'm telling you, this is a gold mine that nobody tells you, and that you have to figure like, oh, I have to pay for this. Think about how much money have you guys literally spent already on like different designs or different fonts? I guarantee something like this right here, you probably paid somebody probably like $19.99. Okay, let's say it was less than that. Let's say $10, $9. Look, guys, you already paid for it with this for $3.99 for the month if you want to do a month. And it's yours. The fonts, like, come on. Listen, guys, look at this. Cute, right? These you can put on shirts. Cute stuff. Little reindeers, pink. Ho, ho, ho. You know, cute, right? Put it on ornaments, t-shirts, anything, right? Because then you can take them and print them on DTF, UV DTF. We'll talk about that later. Look at this. If you're into Halloween, they have all these different Halloween things. They have all these. Look at that. Comic. Oh, look at this. Urban graffiti. Come on. I know you paid somebody for this graffiti before. $3.99 for the month. And boom, you're done. Or $48 for the year, and you're done. You don't have to worry about it, and you have all these designs. Access to all of this, guys. All of this. I guarantee you spent more than $48 in like 1 month, you know, paying for somebody else's designs that they probably got from here and they reselling. Who knows? I don't know. I'm gonna mind my business. But look at this. Okay, so I want to tell you guys, you know, I know a lot of you guys paid for the football, you know, when it was big, those football designs that you can do in Canva. Some people were charging like $20. Look, guys, they have it here. You just download it and then just click the link to go to Canva, and it's there. You just add your designs. Oh my goodness, guys, look at this. They have so many different ones, so many different designs. Look at that. Variety of colors, all of that, and it's free. Once, I mean, I keep saying free, but you pay $3.99 for a month, or you just pay $48 for the year, and it's all yours. You download it and it's yours. And guess what, guys, when you get these, you get the commercial license. Look at that. You get the commercial license, so you can resell it without having to pay a commercial license for it. When you pay the one fee already, it's yours. You can do whatever. You just can't resell their designs, of course. But once you sit there and you add your own designs and you want to resell it, you want to do print on demand, you can do that. They give you access to do so. Come on, guys. I'm giving you the game here. I'm telling you all the secrets. I'm probably a lot of people probably be mad at me right now. But guys, like, I mean, take advantage. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is so cute. Pink out. I'm gonna tell y'all a secret. Somebody had a pink out like this. I saw it in a Facebook group, and I think they were selling for like $9. And I was like, oh my goodness, this is so cute. And guess what? It led me to go ahead and do some research, and then I found this. But I've already affiliated with Creative Fabrica, so, but I didn't realize that they had it in there. I just did my research and I was like, oh my goodness, stop. So guys, and guess what, guys? Like I said, when you do your chat GPT, like I showed you guys before with trying to get the AI clip arts, guess what you can do too? You can go ahead and resell your own designs on Creative Fabrica, just like you do on Etsy. if you on Etsy, or just like you do your regular website, get as much money as you can. Like, put all your stuff out there everywhere. Okay, now we're to the senior 2025. Okay, I know somebody, got to know somebody that's graduating this year, whether it's a student in high school, college, or graduate, PhD, whatever. Somebody's graduating 2025. You need to come here and you need to get these designs, and you need to go ahead and get them printed on your vinyl, or go ahead and upload. And we'll talk about Jiffy shirts. Go ahead and do your DTF, where it's already direct to print, or DTP, already direct to print. You have them printed, put it on the DTF, and all you have to do is take it and press it on your shirts. Look at this. This is so cute. Even the colors, I love it. Guess what, guys? Just download it. Once you become a member, you just download it. Boom. It's there. It's yours. Come on. Oh, this is so cute too. Look at all these different creative designs that people make and design. So, you know, you're still giving them credit. Like, this is awesome. Oh my goodness, guys, look at this. I'm sorry, I'm getting so excited because I'm be honest, I didn't know all this was up here on here. So I'm excited. Like, I'm so ready to create. And you can make so many different things. You can make frames for people. There's so many different things you can make, guys. You know me. I'm going to tell y'all different things, different ways of creating this stuff. So listen. And then you want to look for the clip arts. Look at that. Look at there. See? They not like us. How many of y'all paid for? I mean, I know a lot of you guys watch my videos to see how you can do it yourself, but I'm sure a lot of you guys went ahead and paid for the They Not Like Us. You know, and it's fine. You know, it's fine, because sometimes, you know, you don't feel like creating and doing it yourself. You just want to cheat a little bit. But look, you don't have to pay for it. I mean, well, you pay for it, but it's already paid for. Put it that way. Okay, here's the clip arts, guys. Remember, I show you how to do these clip arts. Take your clip arts that you make, because I know a lot of you guys are very, I'm not going to say a lot of you, all my friends on here, I know you all are very creative. So you just come, and there's a way you can sell your designs up here as well. Put them up there, guys. Put them up there. Come on. We all are here to win it. We in it to win it. I want to see everyone be great. Everyone be great. Put those talents up there, because you all creative. Look at that Juneteenth. They have all of these things, guys. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Like, they even have the prompts. So if you pay for prompts to try to figure out how to do the ChatGPT and Midjourney, I don't know how to Midjourney. Me and Midjourney are not friends, so I don't mess with Midjourney. But they have prompts, guys. So if you want a prompt, you just type in a prompt, and then you can just get the prompts. You don't have to pay. I don't know how many people charge, like $10. Some people charge $20. I don't know. I mean, I get it. You know, it's their time, and you know that they did. So yes, you know, I'm not knocking anyone. That's great. But I'm just, for those of us like me who, you know, like, all right, let me just figure it out. So look at this, guys. They have the prompts. So yes, just go ahead and have fun with this. Go ahead and play around, create a Fabrica. If you don't have it, like I said, I have the link in my description. If you do have it, go run on there, type in whatever it is you was thinking about, you wanted to get, or you saw, and see if they already have it, because they may have it. Because sometimes stuff you see on Etsy are also on here. So if you saw it on Etsy, they may have it here on Creative Fabrica as well. So just go ahead. They have the coloring pages. They have it all, guys. So just have fun. You saw a font you like, Creative Fabrica has it. Look at this. Look at the little girl clip arts that you can make stickers for if you have kids, or if you're a teacher and you want to give out little gifts to your students, you know, Christmas time, and you know, so many different things, because all kids love stickers. Well, little kids, depending on your age group. But if you have the bigger ones, remember, we can make bookmarks, the magnetic bookmarks. Make your older students some magnetic bookmarks for Christmas. They will love it. Listen, and there's something they can use. No excuse. Oh, I can't find a page. I don't remember a page we on. Use your bookmark. You know, so oh, okay, now I'm about to tell y'all another secret. You know what's selling big if you do create stuff and you do sell them on Etsy? let me tell you. Or if you're just selling on t-shirts anyway, or on the mugs and the little glass jar things they have now you can drink with the straws. The Highland Cows. Yes. Highland Cows are big, guys. Who knew? I'm like, what are these things? They're cute and funny, but I didn't know. But they have them here on Creative Fabrica. So if you want to go ahead and make t-shirts, mugs, or whatever, your stickers, whatever with them, they have them here on Creative Fabrica. But let me tell you, they're so cute. Aren't they cute and funny? Oh my God, so cute and so funny. But let me tell y'all. Let me show y'all something. I'm waiting to get there. Okay, let me show you something. We're going to get Etsy. Look at this. You see that bestseller on Etsy? They so cute, right? But look how many people bought already in 24 hours. Y'all, when I tell you these things are big and popping, like who knew? I didn't know. And I was just, y'all know I love to do homework. And if you ever join me in my courses or anything like that, you will know I give homework. So I'm big on homework because, you don't really know anything and learn anything until you start doing research. And then that's, nothing like it. But look at these things. They're so cute. But look at that. Big seller. Look at that. Bestseller. Popular. Look at that, guys. See how, come on. And I can't tell y'all too much secrets. Y'all gonna have to join me because I do consulting. Y'all gonna have to join me because I'm gonna tell y'all right now, like I have so many secrets, but I can't keep giving out all my secrets. So, but if you want to join me, just let me know. But I can't give out all my secrets, not all. But I was about to tell y'all a secret, but I gotta hold it in. But I'm telling you, it's easy, guys. Okay, before we go, I want you to see these little beauties that I created, and I'm going to show you how to create it also, because remember I said they're big sellers and popular on Etsy. Let's go ahead and make our own. So you see this right here, this one's on a wagon. You see they are like popular. These are super cute. They're in a bucket or a bin. I don't know. We call it a bucket, right? So look, they're selling, guys. Like, come on. Like, would you want to pass up an opportunity to, I won't say jump on a bandwagon, but sometimes, why sit there and think and break your brain? Like, what should I sell? What can I sell? When you see somebody else is doing it and you can create it yourself and just put your own spin to it. Look at that. They're so cute. These little Highland cows. Like, who knew? Look at that. Look, see, they selling. They have some other designs on here that I don't know, but these little cows are super cute. But you see stuff people are buying. So come on, let's go ahead and let's get creative and make our own. So what we're gonna do. Look at that. I'm telling you. Look, guys, what we're gonna do. Look at that. They're selling. Why would you want to pass that up? Like, you're copying, but not really copying, because you're going to make your own spin. But that's what part of research, guys. I tell you all the time, you got to do research. When you do your research, then you find out what's popular, what's not, what's a good seller, what's not a good seller. Like, it takes a lot of work. And yes, I put in the work, and I'm going to sit here and I'm going to figure it out. And guess what? As long as I can, I'm going to try to tell y'all too. I can't tell y'all all the secrets, but I'll tell you a little bit here and there. But listen, so what we gonna do? We gonna go right here to ChatGPT, and what we gonna do? You see how I did the little Highland cow up there with the little pink? I said, let me do something in honor of breast cancer, and we got the little pink bows. But look, let's create our own. Let's see what we can do here. Create it here. See, I just leave a prompt up here. Copy this prompt, guys, and put your own spin to it, your own little twist, and make it your own. And let's see what it do for us. I'm going to stay quiet for a little bit because y'all got it from here. I'm just going to play some music. Okay, guys, let's see what it gives us. Oh, how adorable. Look at the little leopard print with the leopard presents. Oh, adorable. Super, super cute. And we can get rid of these little things back here, the ornaments and the present that just out of place. We just, we go to our favorite place, Canva, and upload everything. Yes. So we go and we just upload them so that we can go and you can put them however you want to do with them. You take them and you print them, make whatever you want out of them. T-shirts, journals, oh, stickers, those little glasses, tumblers, any and everything. And that's another thing. People like tumblers. You can make the tumbler, put them into tumbler designs and do the tumbler size and then upload it on Etsy, and they can download it themselves and make their tumblers with the PNG file that you made for tumbler designs. It's so many different things, guys. Like, I can give you a whole list, but oh my goodness, like, this is super cute. So here I'm just gonna go and try to like get rid of it, these little things. They just don't belong, but it's okay. They still made a little cute cow, Highland cows they're called. Don't ask, guys, I don't know, but they're cute. I just, like I said, I just did homework and saw that they were a big hit, and I'm like, how can I be a part of that? So I'm not missing any opportunity, and so I would love for you guys to jump aboard too and not miss anything either. So let's see what it do, because sometimes y'all know how Canva do me. Sometimes it want to get rid of stuff, and sometimes it did it. Okay. Canva sometimes be my friend, sometimes it doesn't. But okay, it won't do it. Oh no, it didn't act right. Oh, but that's easy. You just erase it. I don't know why it does that sometimes. It might as well just do the erase tool versus the grab tool, but it's okay. I told y'all, it's always something when it comes to me and Canva. We have a love-hate relationship, but it's okay. Let's see. There we go. What's that? Oh, you know what? Okay. Don't want us to be great. Really don't want us to be great. So we're just gonna erase it. Erase. Bye-bye. Y'all go bye-bye. See you later. You don't belong here. We don't want you. We don't need you. Right? What I'm gonna name? I think I'm gonna name her. She looks like a Rebecca. I don't know. She's cute. Or should we give her a modern day name? What's a modern day name, guys? I don't know. Oh, she's cute. The little thing with the little pink, right? Okay, and then we go here. Y'all know the deal. PNG transparent background. We're gonna bring this up so it can be at 300 dpi, and we save it, and then that's how we do it, guys. And you go ahead and upload it to wherever you're gonna upload it, make it, design it, wherever you're gonna put it, and just go from there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys create some amazing things. I would love for you guys to connect with me, and let me know what else. I do have some more videos coming out. I still have to make the stickers and the UV DTF, so I still have more videos coming out. So if you watched to the very end, I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. And yeah, she came out super cute, and that's the transparent background. And look, you can make this be something super cute in honor of breast cancer. And if you're going to do the breast cancer walk, you can have a cute little shirt. You can put words underneath it, or have it just create and decorate it however you like. So happy crafting, happy creating. Don't forget, if you don't have Creative Fabrica already, you can use my link in the description and go ahead and get that for $3.99 a month, or just pay the $48 for the whole year and download away. Have fun, guys, because look at all this stuff. Look at all this stuff that's not even all. If you want to go on there and get you some Canva templates, go on there. If you need Instagram Canva templates, they have that too. All right, I'm out of here. I'm not gonna tell y'all any more secrets today. All right, thanks for watching. Until next time, see you again. Bye bye.